Introducing the all-new, all-over service phone. Oh, got a call. Hello? 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 Oh. Hey. Oh, I'm talking on my all-new, all-over service phone.
Well, what is that?
Well, Tyler, it's the first phone that gets service everywhere.
Well, how does it work?
Well, Tyler, the all-over service phone has many functions. You push this button, the multi-language button, if your call needs to be in English or Spanish. It comes with up to 1 other languages. Each additional language costs only $59.99 per use. This is the shuffle button. It shuffles one of your contacts and randomly calls them. Hey, is this Joe? Oh, it's Steve? Dang, my phone never calls the right person. The next button is the number button. For each number you want dialed, you push it that number of times. Let's call this number 610-406-0908. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait 5 seconds. 1. Wait 5 seconds. Now you do nothing for 0. Wait 5 seconds. Now we do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now wait 5 seconds. Do nothing for 0. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you produce 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 4, 5. Now you do 0. Oh crap, that was 1. Crap, I have to start all over now. Ugh! The all-over service phone can only register 1 call per hour. All other calls will be blocked. For each second of service time you want, you must push the service button 1 time for every second. Oh wait, I'm getting a call right now. Hello? Hello, Joe? Hey, yeah, I can talk for a minute. Hold on. Hey, I can talk for 15 seconds. What do you need? Oh, you want me to come to that party? Hold on. Hey, I'm back. Yeah, I can go. Alright, Friday at 6. Okay, bye. Comes with a camera function button. Here's how it works. First, you detach the camera from the phone. You must turn it on. Then, take a picture of whatever you want a picture of. Then, you can review your picture. Look at that quality. There's also a stapler function button. First, detach the stapler from the phone. Then, you staple it. There.
How do I get one?
Bing! There you go.
Wowzers!
The all-over service phone. Service everywhere, but not always. Beep 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 beep.